Hello everyone, I'm super excited to announce my 3-hour workshop, Introduction to Testing in iOS. Now this workshop will be hosted on June 20th, 2025, 11 a.m. Central. And as I mentioned, this is going to be a very hands-on workshop where you will learn about unit testing, you will learn about mocking, stubs, integration testing, and even end-to-end testing. And we're going to be looking at practical, real-world projects. And this is going to be extremely hands-on. You will be able to download the starter project. You will be able to write the test. You will be able to understand what is mocking, when to mock, when not to mock. And it's going to be communicating with the server that I have implemented. So it's going to be a really fun workshop, really hands-on workshop. And everybody knows testing is extremely important, right? I mean, if you're writing finance application, if you're writing some application like for medical companies or any application testing, you have to test the app. But what to test, when to mock, when to stub, all of these different things you're going to learn in this workshop. So once again, this workshop will be on June 20th, 2025, 11 a.m. Central. You can go to the link right there in my post and register for the workshop. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the workshop.